Click Compliance. Click HOS. Click Unidentified Driving. Click Options. Select a date period. Select which assets to find unidentified driver logs for. Click Apply Changes. You can click Edit to assign a single log, or click the Select None dropdown to assign multiple logs at once. From the options, choose how you want to select logs. Selecting the asset will mark all logs for that asset on the specified day. Click Edit selected Unidentified Driving. Assign the logs to the correct driver. Enter an annotation. Click Save Changes when finished. Congratulations! You've completed this tutorial for assigning drivers to unidentified HOS or ELD logs.